And just forget where I've come from.
But listen,
Well, that is true.
What if I get my testicles stuck in my zipper?
Okay. Please just excel. Just please extend me into 2021, please. I've had it with 2020. Even though 2020 is my year, you know what I'm saying? Please take me to 2021 right now. I can't anymore. What the fuck did you just say? Somebody come and get this boy.
Stop caring so much. You niggas care too much, bro. That's why you ain't close to the bag, nigga. I've been on this shit, you feel me? Big bag. Glad big bag. I don't think that you mean it when you tell me that you love me. When I'm rolling up the drugs, bitch, you just judge me. You know I'm one-on-one and you came up, you lucky. And I can't leave you alone, cause you got a special something. Hey, mouth like a waterside, pussy like a waterfall. Head game so mean, I'ma need time to know.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Sky Easy Lemon TV channel, Central Nation. What is good with you guys? Alright, I've been very inconsistent with uploading videos, ladies and gentlemen, but we're back on it today, ladies and gentlemen, and it looks like KSI dropped a skit now. We're pertaining to this really love song that he has with Craig David and Digital Farm Animals. Yeah, we're here to check a skit out of all things. I've been reacting to a lot of different kind of variety of videos lately, not just music and stuff like that. So when I saw that he put out a skit, I was like, oh, okay, we gonna check this out, man, and see what kind of stuff we got going on. And I looked at it for like 5-10 seconds, and I was like, you know what, let me react to this video. Let's check this out together, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get into this, man. Also, if you guys have not seen me react to the song as well, I already reacted to the song. I'll either put it at the end screen or you guys can find it on my channel. But yeah, man, let's get straight into this, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it, man. Lego.
Okay, so it's the number 22 for the gentleman in the pig mask. And what can I get for you, sir?
The pig mask. That's Digital Farmer Animals.
I think I'll have a one-song hit combo, please.
Okay.
One song hit combo. Boy.
That does come with a side of wealth and fame. Is that okay?
Yeah, perfect.
What?
How would you like the public's reaction?
Let's have it positive.
Yeah. Good choice. And what about the media?
Also positive. Yeah, yes, please.
Boy, what? Boy, what?
You know what? Just an order of clarity for me, please.
Yeah.
This an order of what? What'd he say?
And what about you, hun?
You know what? Just an order of clarity for me, please.
Clarity.
Anything on the side? Euphoria or some perspective?
No, I'm fine, thank you. Thank you so much, though.
No worries.
Thank you.
I got a jacket very similar to what Craig David got on right now.
Am I gonna juggle the fame and women, man? Like, it's getting mad out here. I'm feeling like a kid in a candy shop. What's your advice?
Well, put it this way. There's a couple of ways.
Is it
to
really
do
love?
Right? Like, I mean, let me use the menu so I can give you an example. Now, look here. There's two types of dessert available. On this menu right here, I'm seeing the reckless cake, and trust me, it's covered in high drama. And there's the real love ice cream with extra real.
But what's that got to do with women and fame?
Yeah, exactly.
I know you think it's a little crazy, right? But just roll with it. Both of these look tasty, right?
Okay.
Okay. Now, don't get me wrong. I tasted the reckless cake. Man, it's super sweet and it's mad fun at first. But the aftertaste is crazy high drama and it's just not the one. I promise you, bro.
Ah, I see. But
Bro, this is some high talk shit right now. Bro, this is high talk, bro. Are y'all high? What the fuck is going on?
the real love ice cream, I don't know, it just looks a bit basic to me.
Ah, bro. That's why everyone makes the mistake, yeah? Listen, it's simple in its presentation, right? But when you taste it, it's on a next level. And it always satisfies your cravings. Do you know what I mean? It's one of them ones. For me, I think it's the extra real that does it for me. If I'm being honest. Do you know what I mean?
So you're saying
Whoa.
keeping it real with no drama is how you can have your cake and eat it.
That's what I'm saying, bro. You know what I mean?
Free hugs.
KSI, you okay?
Yeah, just a little scared.
Scared of what?
Of becoming an international superstar.
And why are you afraid of becoming internet?
Oh my God. My man is feeding his ego. His ego is at an all-time high, bro.
I don't know, it's just I'm afraid of what happens if I become too big too quickly.
Yeah, I mean that might be a little scary, but.
And what if I become a different person? And just forget where I've come from?
But listen,
Well, that is
it's
true.
grounded.
What if I get my testicles stuck in my zipper?
Okay. Please just excel. Just please extend me into 2021, please. I've had it with 2020. Even though 2020 is my year, you know what I'm saying? Please please take me to 2021 right now. I can't anymore. What the fuck did you just say? Somebody come and get this boy.
JJY! JJY! JJ! What? Huh?
And they have to
Wait, what did that thing say?
I get my testicles stuck in my zipper. And
Question marks, like what? What is this boy talking about?
cut my balls.
I mean, it's totally valid, but what are you afraid of?
I'm afraid of no one to tell me no. And then I'll eat sweets, become plump, like a chicken, and then everyone just calls me a plump chicken.
They already do that on your Reddit, KSI. They already do it.
I'm afraid I'll go into a haunted house and not know it's fake and have a heart attack and die and be stuck as a real ghost in a fake haunted house.
What the
I'm afraid
fuck?
I'll invest all my money in something so stupid like shoes you can eat. Well, actually, no, that's actually a pretty good idea, you know. I'm afraid of going to.
What?
What if I fall in love with one of the animals and
This is this is like the version of Everett Hayes, Chris Julius. What if it was this? Or what if this happened? Or what if this happened? Or what if this? Boy, you be 45 minutes in. He got all these different scenarios, bro.
we can never be together. I'm afraid that people will think KSI stands for Kissing Stacey Ings. I mean, I don't even know anyone.
What the fuck are you talking about?
What?
My name, but I'm sure she's out there somewhere.
No, Stacy. I don't know Stacy.
I'm afraid of magic carpets because if they're real, then all my dreams will come true. I'm afraid of the color green. Like, why is it everywhere? What does it want? I'm afraid of.
Bro. KSI. I have one question. What drugs are you on? Boy, if this ain't drug talk, if this ain't drug talk, bro, come on, man, you got it. Bro, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck is this boy talking about?
I've been in an earthquake and the ground splits open and I have to put one foot on each side and then I have to do the splits. I'm not that flexible, Craig Dave. I'm afraid of leaves that fall from trees because what if it's a really big leaf and I get a concussion?
Yes, stop, man. Stop. You don't have to be afraid of all this stuff.
Oh my God.
I don't?
No. Because all of it definitely is going to happen to you. I mean, that's
Bruh.
how it goes. But all that stuff happened to me too. And it will make you stronger. Except that I didn't think of the shoes you can eat. I think it's a really good idea, if I'm being honest.
You sure?
Yeah, we can do some market testing if you want.
No, about it making me stronger.
Of course. And besides, you'll never be alone.
I won't?
Nah, we're going to be here with you. We're going to be here with my man.
What
Digital.
is
What
going
you saying?
on? Absolutely.
So we've got the one hit song combo for you. we have Clarity.
Shots.
And the number 22. We have the chicken Caesar salad.
How the hell are you supposed to eat that?
Beyond meat cheeseburger, carbonara, 3 portions of Biff's chicken wings, 2 top banana smoothies, 1 coconut alina.
That's all for him?
White Russians. Enjoy your meal.
I didn't see that on the menu.
Is it too late to change my order?
You want the 22?
Yeah, but you can leave the hit song for the table. You guys cool to share, right?
Weirdos.
I'm like, what? What the fuck is going on? That is going to do it, ladies and gentlemen, for this reaction. KSI has dinner with Craig David and Digital Farm Animals. Bro, y'all cannot tell me that is not high talk. I'm gonna be like, Burleezy, where are you guys getting these drugs from? Boy, what? That might be, that's one of the funniest / dumbest skits I've watched in a while, bro. That was hilarious and stupid at the same time. Like, bro, what? Oh my God, this dude here, bro. This boy here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. You guys can leave any other reaction requests down below in those comments. And yeah. Anyway, guys, like this video up. Really appreciate that. Subscribe to Joy Central Nation if you are new. And I am out.
Jackson the Pinhole.
Ayy, got the guap in my hand and the Glock in the pocket. Flex on the gram, tell these niggas to stop. I don't want a gram, I need 10 at the least. That car is a rent on that bitch is the least. Hey, it ain't so good and my pocket's obese. Every day is a motherfucking feast. Fuckers no bunny, she wanted some chops. She give me the hit like the bitch had a dime. I fuck with the bitch, you know how it go. You know I don't love her, you know she a hoe. No, she undercover.